To install apps from unknown sources on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you want to go over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Now from the settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the security and privacy settings over here. Now scroll down again, and then first off, you want to make sure that auto blocker is turned off. So if yours is turned on, make sure you toggle this off. You'll be required to enter your password, pin or pattern if you have any turned on. And then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap on the more security settings from over here, and then you're going to see the unknown sources option. Just scroll down a little bit, you're going to find it over here, select it, and from here you can now select the applications which you want to use to install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So if you want to use any browser of your choice, make sure you toggle it on from over here. In my case, I'll toggle it on for the Google Chrome browser. And once all of this is done, at this point, you can go ahead and use that specific browser or specific app you have enabled this feature for to install apps from unknown sources. All you just have to do in the case of a browser is to search for that app's APK. Make sure you're actually getting it from the official developer's website so that you do not end up installing viruses or unofficial applications into your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And if this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.